This is a short presentation about collaborative tools and how you can use them for your final projects. We're going to talk about some free tools, most of which you probably already know about. One of the tools that we're going to talk about is Google Docs or the Google Drive. This is a tool that's connected in Canvas. You can use it for Canvas-based collaborations. Google Docs allows you to share a document with several people, anyone that you invite. And it allows the invitees to simultaneously be able to edit the document. The document is stored on the cloud, and that's what makes the simultaneous editing possible. This makes it so you don't have to email versions of a document back and forth. It can be very helpful to you as you work on final revisions of your own pieces and as you get feedback, because people can be invited to comment as well as to edit. And it can be invaluable as you work together on collaborative pieces. There's also other Google stuff that you're probably also aware of, including a video chat tool, Google Hangouts, obviously Gmail, which your SLCC Gmail account is, or email account is now a Gmail account. If you want to share a calendar, the Google Calendar is great for that, for syncing up your deadlines. The whole suite of tools is great for collaboration, and indeed, the Google apps are designed to help you collaborate better. Here's a tool that we like to use when we work with colleagues, Dropbox. Like Google Drive, Dropbox is a cloud-based storage system. You can share a folder or a document or other kind of file in Dropbox, and it makes it easy to collaborate and to share files, again, without emailing. Another great thing about Dropbox, also true of Google Drive, is that a file stored there can have a static URL. This means that you can link to the file in other web applications. There are kinds of documents, for instance, that are not typically linked to because they're not generally designed for web use. For instance, we in the English department have a template for a book that we developed in Adobe InDesign. Because we store this template in Dropbox, we can post a link on our website and people can download it for their use. Dropbox is a wonderfully useful tool. Another thing it's great for is sharing media files. So if you're working on a collaborative media project, and media files are kind of big, Dropbox allows you to store pretty much any size file as long as you have an account that will support it. Dropbox is free at a basic level, and you can get more storage if you invite others to join Dropbox at your invitation, like a little pyramid scheme, but nobody loses any money. Canvas itself, of course, has tools as well. One is the conference tool. You can set up appointments with each other to conference, and you don't need an instructor's permission. You just invite your collaborative partners and agree to be in the conference room at a certain time. You can video chat and audio chat, and you can also instant message using the conference tool. Canvas messaging is another tool that you can use, obviously. And you can also use group spaces in Canvas if your instructor has set one up for you. In your group space, you can share files, have asynchronous, i.e. not in the same time and place, discussions and conversations. You can post announcements and in general use that space to urge each other on to success in your collaborative project. You can of course also just use your average run-of-the-mill texting, emailing, and phone calling to collaborate. What you need to do, of course, then is to decide what kind of contact information you want to share and then use it to get the job done. So to sum up, whatever tools you decide to use them to get the job done. And remember that agreeing on the tools that you are going to use as a group will assist you as you work on your collaborative project and will help your collaboration go more smoothly and more efficiently.